at the workplace, right?
Yes, yes.
But today, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so the first thing is that the the without the woman, the man is nothing. Okay, and we should respect the woman. Actually, see, the women play the lot of role in her life. Okay, sometimes she play a role of a mother, sometimes the sister, then sometimes wife, friends, and so on. And these days we are talking about the equality, woman equality. Means, see, in a woman equality in the sense, means we are talking about the 50% job to the woman. Okay, and in other hand also that, yeah, and I feel that personally, women are more reproductive as compared to the man, and they can work with a man. Okay, it is not necessary that the man can do the particular job, particular work or particular job only alone. Now these days women also doing the same thing what the man is doing. So the see and what harassment. Okay, so the sexual harassment at a workplace, it's the literally it's the violence, okay, against that woman rights, then woman, what I want to say, liberty, okay, and the life. And I guess there is a the act is also in our the constitution of India. And one more thing is that, suppose now, see, as I already told you that, how many roles as woman can play in her life. Now someone, see, getting a job is very difficult for the woman as compared to the boy. But suppose someone is doing a work, how much dedication, or how much the struggle that particular woman has done in her life to getting that particular position. But because of some because of the sexual harassment or something, particularly it's not a good. But you know whoever suppose doing such a thing, they should think about that. They should have the wife, they should have mother, they should have the sister, they should have the friend. So why don't think that woman before doing anything? They should think 100 times before behaving what that the behaving the with the bad manners. Okay, that is nothing but we can say it's a sexual harassment. With that, the evil eye, or that the particular way of that they do it. Okay, okay. So as far as our IT is concerned, we have the terrific law. See, now if the female colleague complaint against the particular the boy or particular the man, okay, so he will get bit terminated. And this law, when I was in the other company, means any if I am talking about the IT companies. Okay, so there is a terrific law. So who were working with the woman will think about the 100 times what really it's the means they will think 100 times. And particularly suppose if we are the common man. Okay, already we know that, means suppose if you want to earn it, right, we get the salary, no problem. But there will be the home EMI, then car EMI, then this EMI. We are in that the burden. I don't think so the common man will think like that to arrest someone. Because already I told you, we will be in a, you see, if today is the first I got a salary, but after 5 or 6 days there will be nothing. Okay, so but it depends the person to person. And we should not act like, before acting, I already told you, consider your mother, consider your sister, consider your wife. Same feeling if you are doing, consider before doing, then you will feel shame of you what you are going to do with that woman. Okay, because we should always respect, we must respect the woman, his feeling, his dedication. And and these days we are saying that beti padhao and what beti bachao. But these days, see how the people behaving, and what they are going to do in with women. So they should not act like that. Should respect the woman. uh, And whatever the workplace, I already told you. Let me give one example also. One of my female colleague, okay, actually, uh, she had just joined, and after 1 or 2 months, she revealed one thing. Actually, she had got a job in another company. Okay, but why she had left her job? Because of this harassment. But because of this sexual harassment, sexual or not sexual, but because of this such type of issue. Oh, what she was saying that the job, okay, where she was doing a job, it was means on the way to her, means on the way to her home. Okay, means it was not too long, means a 5 kilometer or something. But because of this thing, she had to left her job. So particularly, what I want to say is that you should reveal it. You should make a voice. Suppose woman is keeping a mum in such a case, they should complain the report against such a behavior, such a things. They should raise their voice. They should not keep a mum, because there are also the good person in our society, and they are going to help them. So I feel that if something happens with you, then please raise the voice, raise voice, make a voice, and please do a complaint with your the senior management. And I hope that everyone will take the necessary action, strict action against such a things. That's it from my okay.
Okay, Amit bhai, just I want to say two things. There are two type harassment. What I observed till now, there is a genuine, there is a ungenuine. You can say, genuine means what happens sometimes. Suppose someone has joined your office, and the manager or project manager. Just I am taking example. They pressurize so much to her. Finally, she become a piece of cake to harass. And second is genuine. In that case, what happened? There is suppose there is someone girls and she always think she is not capable to doing such thing, so she has a option. It just I make try to make friendly with boss and try to something like this, just try to seduce, and you can get promotion also, you can grow. This is second time where there is a mutual understanding and harassment is going on. And second is ungenuine. People just try to pressurize the girl and whatever women, you can take example, and finally she became food for that. So there are two type harassment, and one is also mental harassment. Means you are pressurizing so, and this is not so much capable, and you are giving work so much work. Definitely, she is going to be frustrated or depressed, and finally, if she want to save their job, so she have only one option. It's just try to make contact with boss, something like that. Otherwise, you can leave the job. But in some cases, women are not so capable, and also to do the society, to do the organization, they try to hide what they are facing. So there are two or three problem. And also you have mentioned there is a law, I think that is Women's Sexual Harassment Prevention Act, something like that. But how many women are complaining about that? Only 2 or 3%. And when you are going to see some statistical data, so you can find only 5 to 6% women till now has just complained against their boss or their organization. Nobody is going to complain. And also we came to know people are just trying to compromise to grow within the organization, because you can take many examples. Someone joined 1 year before, now she is manager. Some people try to raise hand how she become manager within 1 year. She has not capability. So always try to people find some negative things. And also you can take example, someone is working so much hard but she is not getting promotion. Why? Because she is not ready to compromise or not ready to being harassed. So there are two or three things. So we can't blame on the everything. It's also responsibility of women or lady who are working within that organization. It's their responsibility to please raise your voice. But what happens when you are going to raise your voice due to influence of boss, you can get fired. So these are many problems, and this is happening everywhere. We are not taking example of any IT industry. You can take example of any organization. Every organization this is happening, but in only few cases, women are reporting, ladies are reporting, yes, we are facing such time problem. and also totally depend upon boss how boss is going to deal, how manager is going to deal. If that person is really genuine, so he is going to take some strict action against that employee also. He can lodge FIR in police station. But how many boss are doing same? I think very few. And also you can take example of Infosys where one person, one employee of Infosys just harassed someone, and in that case, Infosys pay 400 crore rupee only for compensation, only due to harassment. So harassment is a very big case, but I don't think many people are reporting. That is main problem. If you are not going to report, then how people came to know, how police came to know, yes, this is happening here. And there are many examples, but we are not getting so much. That's why it's happening. And I don't think, yes, there is a law, but how many person or how many women is going to report, I have no idea. So this is from my side. I think there are two type harassment. One is by mutual understanding, and one by pressurizing to someone being harassed. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Women are nowadays exploiting or harassed by their seniors or co-workers a lot at their workplaces. Like it's not like gender. It's not like gender. If even women are there who just jealous from each other, and they just have like jealousy is also the part of workplace. Like at workplace, instead of like talks about the uh, all the apart from work, they are just have talk like this person is with that person, or like if we talk about only women, first of all, men just they will not hire. It is the case in front of that I have faced. It was not with me, but one of the, it was our head. Like if a lady or a person just come with a higher degree or have more experience than her, him, like he is not going to hire his or her, right? Because his job will be in danger. This was the only reason that he is not going to hire. Like he is the head, what is the responsibility of him? To get the quality employees, to hire the quality employees. But the thing he's doing, he's just saving his job. Like yeah, if I hire the someone with the more experience, who is more experienced than me, that my job will be in danger. So this is the first thing, that is start just from the hiring, right? If a person somehow hired because of their skills and all, after that, if a person like, first of all, seniors, they just, if a new person join the company or an organization, they just thought that great, we have got a murga, a bakra, like we will do the, we are superiors now. And the all the, as we know that there, apart from teaching, if we run teachings department on all, apart from teaching, there are a lot of more tasks we need to do, like the admin work and some substitutions to take. So at that time they just thought देना, like work को जो, that the person who just joined, the juniors, if they now, case happens when they start like no, we have other tasks, or they, if they start saying no, then they are in danger, then their job is in danger. They will not say anything directly, but the thing that's going to happen, like they will give them extra task with the you know deadlines, with the very deadlines. Like if they will give that much work that should be done in 10 days, then they will give them, him or her, deadline of 5 days only, so that she or he will be not able to do perform such tasks, and they will get a chance to highlight them. So these are the things that just going on. And these are not the things like nowadays, apart, like except for sexual harassment, that the thing that ladies or males or females are facing, that is the mental harassment. It is much greater than the sexual, the mental harassment. It can be shown, right? We can take videos and all photographs, but what is the proofs of mental harassment? How will you prove the mental harassment? Yeah, this person is harassing me. Until or unless you are not in depression, or you do not commit suicide, how will you prove this? So this is from my side. This is not the case with only
Actually,
females.
Mrs.
Males
Neha,
also.
whatever you have mentioned, this is a really genuine point, because I have taken every organization we are finding this type of situation, but only few ladies or women are just going to report, because they firstly they want to save their job, because everybody just want to security. Due to this, the harassment
Yeah,
began from that person. When you are going to impose a lot of work to new colleague, means
yeah,
definitely she is unable to perform at a time, then she always think, and mental harassment start from that point, and after some
yeah,
time it's converted in some sexual harassment or something like that, because this is beginning. If I have joined any organization very new and you are going to impose a lot of work, I have no idea how I can perform. Then no, some people come to you, just go and meet to her, meet to him. Maybe he can handle every situation. From that point, harassment is began, and this is going to bigger and bigger. And some cases, what we have seen, someone joined and someone, suppose she is very beautiful, just she tried to seduce someone. In she know, if I can seduce someone,
yeah,
definitely I can
yeah.
grow
This is the
within the
scenario. Yeah,
organization.
we
Within the
cannot
organization,
overlook this. Yeah,
yes, within 1 year she can get promotion, something like that. Then other type of dealers or something again start. So this is happening in every organization. We can't deny this. If someone is saying, this is not happening here, actually you have no idea. Because if you're talking about Amit Bhai is working in Oracle, and Oracle is not a small company. There are thousands of employees working. Maybe in Bangalore office nothing happening, but in maybe Delhi office it's going on. Only we know when someone is going to report, then we come to know, okay, yes, this is happening here. Otherwise there are many hidden things they are doing such thing, and we have no idea. When we came to know, when someone report, yeah, um, bhanda phoot jana,
yeah. It
something
will
like
be a,
that,
yeah,
then we came
yeah.
to know, okay,
Moreover,
yes,
it will be a
there was
long-drawn
something.
process. Long-drawn. Yeah, it will be a
Then
long-drawn process. Like if a person is like getting, uh, we take the minimum case like 15,000 only, right? If she is saying that this person is harassing me or imposing a lot of tasks or work on me, like if I'll complained or filed a complaint, my work will be go, first of all she has to resign from that place, because they will not stop, they will make the case more worse, right? And moreover she has to hire a advocate and all. She has to make them, all the persons, make them, they have to make them prove, like yeah, this is happened to me. So it is a long drawn process. Apart from this, in the companies or organization, we also have some the members or a committee, but nothing is happening, nothing is working.
also you can take example of Me Too movement, whatever Me Too, this is also example of harassment. Because everybody know this is happening, but now few people are just coming forward and just they're reporting, yes, that person is doing something with me. As you can take latest example of Payal Ghosh and Anurag Kashyap. We have no idea what is happening, but now people are reporting. You can example Sona Mahapatra, something like that. There are many actors who are just going through this situation, but few are reporting. So this is also example. So Devi Bhai and Sekhar Bhai, please.
And I want to make a make a light on some case, like why this is happening. Like we have a real example of a celebrity who has speak and speak about the truth and reality. Now we can see what's happening with her. That's why people are afraid to talk or to uh,
Yes.
throw light on that cases.
Also, you can
So
take
she
many
handled,
example.
however she handled, but a common lady or a layman, how would he or she will have, handle all such kind of situation?
Actually, just I want to say one thing. I think many cases were reported in terms of Me Too movement, but how many get punished? I think no one, because you can take example of Sajid Khan, something like that. Many people reported he is not a good person, but how many get punished? No one. So that is also going to you can say increase the cases of harassment. And now due to this, people are doing and they are just living their life. They don't thinking yes she can be my sister, something like that, because they are just treating as an object and they have to use that object and they are doing this. Okay, so Devi bhai and Sekhar bhai, please, because we have many guys, Sonakshi, Sneha, Om, Bala bhai, that's why. Okay, tomorrow is also holiday, so we can again join this meeting, that is not problem. Okay, so Devi bhai.
Yeah. So I listen. Most of the topic is covered by that Amit Bhai, and I agree that Neha told. So we cannot prove with the proper evidence that somebody is harassed me. So because of this reason, most of the cases are failed. Even in my office also, we are doing many courses regarding to the sexual harassment and all. Many things are there. It's mandatory course. But when it comes to the when it happens like that, there is big procedure like 30 days. They should observe, and within the next 30 days they will see all the documents or if any evidence or if any witnesses are there. If any witnesses are not there, then they cannot prove that it is guilty. And on the other side, you know what happened in Rotak sister. In one case has happened in Haryana. Two sisters are falsely claimed that one person is harassed me, but when the after the court and evidences are proven that the boy is not guilty, but what happened is still getting job for 6 years. So I don't know that is true or false, true or not, but that also one of the news. So they should not misuse that. And recently the Pradeep bhai mentioned the Me Too movement. It is actually a good movement to raise the voice against any sexual harassment and all, because the many women are raised voice. Means there are many groups of people, they raised voice, and it is good movement. And but at the end of the day, everyone want the evidence. Even the court wants evidence. Without evidence, we cannot prove that if something is happened. But the person who is doing, he will not keep any evidence. He look into surrounding and he will behave like this. So we cannot do this kind of things. And in women also will suffer in this condition. Bigger companies like IT and all, they having numerous rules and regulations and all. I have worked on company around 2 years before. That company having strict law. How it is means manager should justify if in a team any girl is staying after 7 o'clock evening. The manager should justify to the HR and many management why the woman is staying after 7 o'clock. So some companies may made a law, but only the medium scale or the multinational companies. But what about the small scale industries? They don't have any proper law. And the Vishaka movement, Rajasthan, or some what happened, and it is gazetted after 2 3. And I know Shekhar Suman will come up with that proper data, because regarding that which year it happened and all. So yeah,
Okay, so Sekhar bhai on
afterwards it is
demand. Oh, Sekhar bhai on demand.
yeah.
Please give your.
Actually, this time I don't have the data of the Visakha case, but it's really unfortunate with us that that even after the Visakha case, Supreme Court has to give that judgment to to the government to frame the law. After that, that law was framed. So it's
Okay.
one of the things that whatever we say on any of the platform, that we should have to do this, we should have to do this, so we have to save girl, we have to do this and that, and blah and blah. But in reality, in implementation, when we see, then there is what we say and what we do is then then it is the gap of more than, I think, more than 80 to 85%. It's really the gap behind what we see and what what we implement. So look, the case of the sexual harassment. So I first of all, I would like to point out why it is happening. According to me, the way we see a girl totally is totally ridiculous. And actually, I can say that it might be some of the guys will not agree with me, but I find that the environment the surrounding around us, like the social media and the TV and the Bollywood, depicts a girl like an object which we can consume. Something like that is happening. I don't know if we were. So if you will see a girl as an object, your whole intention will be on the way that you just want to it's like a product you want to consume. The same way, the same thing is here. So we have to get rid out of this mindset. Then only might be then only we can do some work on it. Because look, like all of my friends have said that we have law, we all know this, but it is happening. And we all are aware that the unreported cases is much more than the reported cases. And what we talk and if we talk about the Me Too movement, but sorry to say, though it's a good movement, but it just just what to say, water tighted and some upper class ladies. Like you might not heard any of the of the voices of the girl or lady who lives in any village or any small town. All of the Me Too movement that I saw some stories that I saw some stories was belonging to some upper class status type girl. So it's we all that and you guys also said that how many people get punished after that. So we all know that there is almost, I don't think that any of the punishment has happened, and if it had happened, I am not aware of it, so I cannot comment on it. And so look, and I one thing I just want to point out that like you can tell there's like two girls enter into a organization at the same time. You will find that the one girl, sometimes I also felt, and I also felt that one girl has got the recognition, has got the opportunity to grow up in the ladder in very less time, and you will find that she is not working anything. Her work is not satisfying even you. How you are thinking that how your boss is satisfying with you, is satisfying with their work. But on the same hand, the other girl who is working very hard, but we will find that the whole day is working, and the opportunity to grow up in the ladder is very less for her. So why it is happening? So what is happening that when one girl is getting the favor from her boss, she is not raising the voices. I want to say that when you're getting the perks without doing any work, or or doing very less work, then why are you taking these perks? Why are you not abstaining from it, or why are you not saying no at that time? Now I can say that we all are totally aware that no one is unnecessarily going to help you. Okay, so if boss is just unnecessarily giving you leaves more than who is more than the allowed, or giving you perks or other benefits, then you should not also take this. Because if while might be some of the friends of mine will not agree with me, but I think that while you are taking these benefits, you are the boss mind is the boss or the colleague's mind is working that he can give some benefits to him, and you guys know what I am telling. So I'm saying that when someone is giving to you without any of your work or very less work, then please do not accept. Don't think that you are over smart. Some guys have might some that guys has came up with different intention, with different mind. And look, when look, I have some friends who are girls, so I can say that girls understand some many of the times that the intention behind the talk of the boy. I like they have intuition. They are, you will find that the most probably most of the time they are right about any of the guys, that he is talking in this way because of that reason or this reason. Many of the time it's right, and sometimes it's not good. So I am saying that when you are aware of the intuition, please take some precaution. I am not saying that you are when you are aware that aware of the intuition, and if that happens with you, so you are liable. I am not saying that. I am saying that when you are aware of the intuition, take some precaution. Be what to say, keep some distance with them. And the second thing is that I want to say that raise your voice, because no law can help you in this until or unless there is no social awareness. There is until or unless there is no proper voices will come, and until or unless there is no punishments, no sorry, no harsher punishments given to the culprit.
Okay,
And the third thing is,
Shekhar bhai, just I want to stop at this point because you have said just raise your voice, and also Devi bhai taken example someone Haryana girl, she is not getting job since 6 years. That is also problem.
Not she, he.
it's he.
Okay,
He.
okay.
He, because of the wrong
False.
accuse of
Okay, whatever something, that is also happen in case of girls. Suppose someone is just going to raise the voice, maybe she is unable to get job, because the government should frame a law so she can get job, another job. Because when I am working in TCS and someone is just doing so this message is spread very rapidly within the organization, and always people try to avoid hiring for such person who are just going to speak against them. This is also really problem, and every organization is not dealing in such a nice way. That is also problem I have seen many organizations. If someone is doing someone is just speaking against you, you always feel she is not doing good. So that is not. Government should frame a law so everyone can just raise your voice and get punished also.
Look, sir, I can one thing I can say that no government can solve this problem until or unless there is no social awareness in this. Until and unless you will not come in front of it. Look, you might not agree with me, because I am totally with of that idea. Like social problem, the mentality problem cannot be solved by the law at all. It can be used as a stick, or as a stick to, so that by you can get some fear by that. If I will do this, this can be happen with me. It can just build that intuition in mind that I will do some wrong with any girl. It can be happen with me that I can lose my job, or I will be under behind the bars for years. So I am saying that that is a social problem. Like I can take the example that if a boy is if the boy is harassing someone, then you will find that the family from which the boy belongs, all the families comes out together to save her. I want to know. So I want to say that is that why the family is not saying that, look, you are my daughter, sorry, you are my son, you are my brother, but if you did wrong, you have to face the punishment. But instead of punishing him, what we are doing is that we come together to save him, and instead of raising our fingers against the boy, what we are doing, that we are raising the same we are using that finger against the girls, that girl might did something with that boy, that's why that boy is doing this. So this mentality has to be changed. Like I can give example, a real example. I will not say the name. What time there is a newspaper? There is a newspaper. There is a news that a girl got raped. So one of the girls said that कि हिंदी में ही बोलूंगा क्योंकि वो हिंदी में बोली थी कि one of the girls said that कि लड़की अकेले घूमेगी तो ये तो होगा ही. Then I think that what the hell a girl is thinking. It's the thinking. Look, that girl is going to become a mother one day, and if his son will do any of these things, so what will he do? He will just save his children. So this is the mentality problem. We have to come against this. Like I can just take the example of a porn star. We all are aware that she is now in Bollywood.
Suman
We
bhai,
all are aware that she is a.
Suman bhai, just wait. Okay, actually we have no time, so please just I am requesting, please join this meeting again.
Okay.
Because we have many guys, Sonakshi,
Okay.
Sneha, Neha, Ganesh, Amit, and everybody have to speak on this topic. That's why please join it again. Please.
Yeah.
I am requesting. वैसे भी tomorrow is holiday. That's why you can join.
Yeah. Tomorrow is a holiday.
Yeah, sure. Sure,
Yeah.
sure. But for us,
Tomorrow is okay.
we don't have
2nd of October. Okay, 2nd of October. I got it.
You don't know that father of nation, Gandhiji. You forget.
Some of the points. That's why I was taking the name of the porn star. That we all know that. We all are aware with her. So I am saying that when a porn star has the guts to come out, come out and live a life with dignity, so why not we are giving the same opportunity to our friends, to our sister, to our other colleagues who are raising the voice. Look, we like it's the thing that when it's the thing that when someone is not culprit, if someone else had did wrong with her, and what we are doing is we are blaming that that girl. So instead of doing that, we have to build an environment. We have to build a surrounding like that where a girl can easily raise their voice. And look, I also find that girls can't even tell what has happened with them to their parents. Look, so if we are not giving that much what to say that much freedom or that much confidence to girl, so that he can easily confess what is happening with them. So we have to surely change our mindset. We have to really get to learn how to behave with a girl. We need to introspect ourselves. We need to introspect that how we are objectifying the girl. And I am saying that this Bollywood and social media and Instagram and other pictures are also responsible behind this, because all of these things you will find that most of the time they just objectified a girl. They just objectifying a girl, nothing more than that. Like if you take the example of, if you take 100 of movies, 90 movies, you will not find the actual reason of behind the actual reason of choosing an actress in a movie. You will just find that the girl is surrounding just around the hero. There is no use. It's like just she came for just a dance or some other love scenes, and she went out. So what is we are doing? We are just objectifying a girl. Even the different advertisements. What we see that there is no need of such. And there is one more point is that there is much more vulgarity and nudity in the social medias, in the advertisement, in the Bollywood, and A movies. So I can't say on this. So these are the things.
Okay, thank you, Shekhar bhai, giving such nice speech on this topic, and you have covered a lot of points, including Me Too, Bollywood, Instagram, something like that. And also, you don't know tomorrow is holiday because we are going to celebrate birthday of Father of Nation. Okay, so that is other issue. So we have Sneha and Sonakshi. Sneha is also doing very good work for women and also for girls. So Sneha, if you want to share some thoughts, so please share. And also we have Sonakshi. So please speak something about this topic because this is really serious topic and we are also finding many examples for that. That's why. Okay, Sneha and Sonakshi, please.
Um, all right. So, should I speak first?
Yes, yes, you can speak.
All right. So, the topic is basically women harassment at workplace, right? So, I am seeing actually here, people are only specifying women harassment as sexual harassment, but like this is for a like general information that only sexual harassment, obviously sexual harassment is also a harassment, big harassment, but only sexual harassment is not a harassment. At workplace, women can face actually different types of harassment, including those
Sneha,
jokes that
Sneha,
very cracks.
Sneha, just actually we have talked more about mental harassment and whatever you are going to talk, that is different. We have covered all the point. I think she just left the meeting. Okay, Sneha, you can
Might be she
continue.
was not there at that time.
Okay, Sneha, you can continue.
Am I audible first of all?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
I don't.
Hello? Oh my god.
Yes, yes,
Right.
yes,
So
yes.
I was basically saying that sexual harassment is not one which women can face at the workplace. Any other harassment is cracking of jokes, like jokes.
Yeah, is there
Regarding
anyone who
your
is facing the
racial
cracking?
slurs.
Wait a second. Is there anyone who is also
Yes,
facing the
yes,
cracking of voice?
Yes,
yes.
we all.
Everyone just facing. I think Sneha, your network
Okay,
is
okay.
Is
yours.
a network issue.
Yes, yes. Okay, Sonakshi, if you want to say something, please. Sonakshi. Sonakshi, Ganesh, Om, Bala Bhai.
Hello,
And the and
should I? Hello.
Yes, yes.
yeah, speak brother.
O- Okay, thank you. Guys, first of all, we need to understand basically two things. One is opposite gender attraction, and another is means sexual harassment. There is a difference on that. Means in opposite gender attraction, some people agree and they got in relation. That is different thing. But in sexual harassment, sometimes guys are not agree, and some stupid thing happen on that means on workplace. They pressurize on work. They are doing some different ideas and attracting means that not attracting but to close to that person. They find some idea and doing some stupid things. Then this problem happen, and on in this mental harassment is also doing. In mental harassment, we can say uh, um, in mental harassment, they can also divert his mind. But love marriage is also the example of the mental harassment. So then question arises, should we love marriage is banned? So so that is from my side.
Okay, Sneha, if you want to speak, you can speak again. Sneha.
Hello,
Sneha.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. I want to say something about that. Actually, Sekhar Bhaiya says that girls should be take a action if anything happened to him. But in real, this is not actually goes on that type, because girls think thought many things about her family and about her future, and also from about the society. So she should not take a action at that time, and I think this is the reason. And one thing I don't know, if I listen something about that type of news, then I thought, what he the was think nothing he have no feeling about that. How can he do like that? How can he rude? This is very bad. Thank you, sir. Actually,
Okay, okay,
I
Sneha.
don't know what I can
Okay,
say.
actually,
They can do because they want the girls, the ladies that are in their house are the ladies, and the girls who are at the workplace or just out of home are the opportunities.
okay, Sneha,
And
now you can speak because you are sending message. If you want to speak, so please speak. Just try again. Maybe this time your network is good. Sneha,
Am I audible? I
no,
tried to
Sorry,
say so
yeah,
many
sorry
you are
to
things.
not.
say,
You
sorry
are
to
not.
say, Sneha, don't mind, but it's just like we are, uh, what we say, sitar or guitar, we are playing guitar.
Yes, it's like guitar which is not in harmony.
Yeah.
okay, just try again.
I want to speak so many things.
Okay, tomorrow you can speak in group because tomorrow I am going to post this topic for discussion. So you can speak a lot. Also, you can conduct many one-to-one talk or conference call also. Maybe your audio will be good due to Zoom. Maybe this is problem of internet also. That's why we are actually your voice is so much cracking. We are not getting anything except your crying voice. You can say. Also you can see your tears. Okay. So now we have Bala Bhai
And
and Bhai. Please speak something, then we can conclude the topic.
Sir, I want to only listen, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Thank you,
so
sir.
okay. So Om,
so Om might said that.
Om.
Om.
Hello?
Yes, yes, Om.
Are you there?
Yes, yes, we are here.
Then I am.
Okay.
So, Om,
Okay.
sir.
I think
Om.
Om just is speaking.
Shekhar
Oh,
bhai,
you guys are.
if you get 1 second gap, right, you will enter it there.
and, and I look, I talked only about sexual harassment because the topic is about sexual harassment. No one has mentioned that about mental harassment and
No,
different stuff.
actually,
That's why I just
Shekhar Bhai, before you
kept.
join.
No, actually, the topic is women harassment.
Yes, yes.
No,
Actually, we
that
have talked a lot about mental harassment, what Sinha was trying to speak
That's
about.
what I was saying. Point, but nobody, like, my voice was cracking and I was unable. Like, I'm so frustrated right now, man.
Now you can speak. Your
Yeah,
voice is
this
coming
was so
very.
clear. Yeah, this
Now
was
this
so
time clear. You
clear.
can speak.
Oh, actually, I was, all right.
Now you can speak. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes. You can speak now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That actually the topic is women harassment at workplace. So,
no, it's woman sexual
like most
harassment
of
at
the people
workplace.
are no women harassment.
Yes, yes. You can speak on women harassment. Actually, just I'm accepting. This is my mistake. Why I mentioned sexual
Take the
harassment.
topic.
Please,
Take the topic.
please, topic
Oh,
is
sorry,
women
sorry, sorry,
harassment.
sorry.
You can speak on women harassment, please. Just remove that word sexual.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. So, sorry, anyways, but like there are a lot of harassment at the workplace which women actually have to face, like cracking of the jokes. You can say jokes of different, racial slurs or personal insults and expressions of disgust or might be intolerance towards a particular race, abuse or something, anything other. Like women, worker can also like insult a woman psychologically or like intimidate other employees by making threats or something. Like these are actually a part of women harassment. Not only sexual harassment, but all these like are actually harassment. Now, am I audible? First of all.
Okay. So I think everybody has already spoken. So now we are moving towards Amit Bhai and Neha. Please conclude this point, topic. Amit Bhai and Neha.
Yes, yes.
One by
Okay,
one.
so as I already, yeah. Yeah, so I already told you that if we see these days we are talking about the woman equality. Even we are ready to give the 50% quota in a job. Okay, woman played lot of roles like mother, sister, wife, and so on. We should respect the woman, and we should not act. And okay, I'm not remembering now. Okay, so Neha told about the mental harassment. She told about the mental harassment, and most of the topics has been covered by Mr. Shekhar Suman. Whatever the example he has given in this session. So I am agree with that one, and yeah. So ultimately, we should respect women. That's it from my end now.
Okay, so
Yeah, Neha, over
Mrs.
to you.
Neha.
Yeah, yeah, there is no, doubt that women are facing harassment at every place, not even workplace. It is workplace, it is school, it is even home that the ladies are facing harassment, sexual harassment. And yeah, there are laws, but this is individual who can, you know, take care of all the things. And it is a long process. Yes, the government has made policies, laws, but it follows a very long process. Even most of some of the ladies are taking advantage of these laws. Just due to that, the genuine ladies who want such, laws, they are lacking somewhere. So we need to do something at our own, and we can say that we need to focus on our own self, that yeah, be human, and be a civilized person, and do good to others. So because whatever you are going to do, it will sooner or later will be come to you. Because
Law of karma.
yeah, karma is always there, whether it whatever the case. So if they do not have any, like yeah, nowadays, like they are saying, yeah, we can see whatever be the, consequences. They are not but yeah, if you see, if that is not enough for you all, so we can take the, take we cannot take responsibilities all the other, but we can take only our responsibility. So this is the thing that I want to say.
Okay,
At least take your own responsibility.
okay, so finally, Devi Bhai have to conclude all the point. Then we can end up this meeting.
I
Okay.
just want to say something.
Yes,
I
yes.
just want to say something.
Shekhar Suman,
On
you only
behalf of
No,
Devi
conclude.
Bhai.
I'm not
Yeah,
concluding. I'm not concluding. I'm just saying, adding a point. Okay. Look, what is here? What I used to hear that it's because of the future and career. Look, if there is no dignity in within, what we will do with of that future? If you are working at a company that for that you are no respect or no dignity, what is the which type of future you are working we are talking about? If we have to talk about the future, then we must have to come out, fight against it, and build a beautiful and prosperous future.
You know, Suman bhai, this is very
See,
easy to say this. This
yeah,
is
Sekhar,
very easy.
Suman, I want to make
Yes,
a point.
this is
Like
very
nowadays,
easy
Yeah.
to say
people
this.
do not care about their dignity. They don't want dignity. They just want, you know, good car. They want like trip, and all people has just
So so no
do
one can
are
help.
ready.
No one
Yeah,
can help that
people
person.
are ready to anything like for the sake of all such kind of things, and they can even make all their dignities to stake.
Then there is no then there is no benefit of this talking. Then I can say surely that.
That's why it is happening. That's why it is happening. Because when you are talking about dignity, how many people are caring about that dignity? Because everybody have to survive in this world. They need some money, and by job they are getting money. So they are not going to
But
speak
see,
against this.
no,
That's
no, no,
why
but
the cases are
no,
increasing
no,
nowadays. Yes.
no, no, but
No,
see,
no.
everyone will have their own self-respect, right? See, if you stand, right, you get to sleep before sleeping, you will take what the image you have created in your own life. You know, like our shadow, which never, never leave us. Like that, that image will never leave you. So that is the thing, and the self-respect is must,
Yes,
right?
Amit
So
bhai, but how many people are thinking that? There are many criminals. They even think कि what they have did in the past.
no, no, but
Yes,
see, at certain
karma will
position,
return.
or
Everybody is not, you are going to get punished by the God or something like that. That is going to happen because, you know, sometimes we listen some news and people used to say, yes, this was decided by the God because you have done such wrong things. Okay, but how many people are thinking in some way, yes, I have done
No, actually, I was saying not from the point of the view of the person who is doing. I am saying that look, if something bad is happened with me, and I can say that yeah, I'm a boy, even that some very bad thing had happened with me too. Okay, the me too hashtag I can also use that, but I didn't use that. That bad thing, some very bad thing happened also with me too. So I'm saying that if I will raise if I will not raise the voice so that I can be at that place, so I am doing wrong. I can say that I am doing wrong. Yes, there is a problem with girls. I am not saying that there is no problem with girls. The family will not going to support with to her. The environment and the social mindset will not going to support with her. So we have to really come together to fight against it if we really want to solve it.
Okay, so Devi bhai, please conclude this because this is 10:50. By 11, we have to conclude this.
Yeah,
So please.
yeah. Pradeep bhai, just one suggestion. Mute Shekhar Suman.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So the one thought on statement: live and let live others. So that is the important, and there is only one place where men and women are living together in this prosperity world. So definitely, we should give mutual respect each other at all the level. It may be in organization, on anywhere we will go. At least when we are in home or when we are in outside and wherever, we should give mutual respect to the irrespective of gender. That is the first of we should keep the human values, and all the mankind. We should not harm the other person, or if both person are mutually agreed, that is left on us. That is individual. We cannot comment on that. That is because that is the individual choice. But when something is happened forcefully, then it is not correct. You cannot inject anything or do something forcefully to the other person. So all the way that we should keep maintain a harmony, not even in outside the world, and as well as in this group also. So that is the that is the one thing, and let leave others. So every we also grow up with the woman, our mother also as a woman. So we should think that whenever we go outside and when we come back out in our home also there will be a woman. So we should give respect. That is the one within respect, and it should come within us. Then only we can change the world, and the charity should start from our home itself. So definitely we should we should start that. Then only the world will change. If that will change, that will never change if the work will start from our home. That's it, Pradeep bhai. Yeah.
Okay, so anybody if wants to say something, so he or she can speak. Otherwise, we are going to end this meeting. Okay.
What's the score of IK?
After this meeting, you can see. Okay. So thank you, guys. I think
Advertisement
to
coming.
speak. Okay. So thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Good night.